Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this tutorial I'll be talking about how to create clipping mask in Photoshop. Okay, this tutorial is going to be very brief. I'll just teach you how to create clip two images together, or maybe to join image with a shape, or join an image with a text to make it look beautiful. So how do you go about that? So first we're going to work on the text, okay? I'm going to bring out type of text, and we're going to clip an image onto that text. So change my font style to, let's look for a nice font style. Okay, I'll choose impact for my font style. I'm going to type in, okay, um, let's choose a name. Okay, let's type in Joseph. Okay, I don't know why that name popped to my head just now, but that's the name we're going to use for this tutorial. So let's increase the size of the image, okay, so that we can see what we're doing here. So clipping mask is very interesting. A lot of people use it in their designs actually. So now, if you want to create clipping mask, you should make sure that the image you want to clip to the text is always above the text. So I'm going to bring my image right now. I'll go to File, I'll place linked, then I'll search for a nice picture that I'll clip to my text. Okay, give it a very warm and nice look. Okay, I have this text here. I have this image here. Sorry, I'm gonna clip it to my text. Now the image is above the text. The image layer is above the text layer. So this is where the whole clipping just goes. Now it's very simple. What you just need to do is right click on the image layer, and you click create clipping mask, and that's all. So you can see your image has been clipped onto your text, and you can see it looks so beautiful right now. So now you can further enhance your design. Maybe you want to add a little stroke around your text. You can right click and go to blending options, and you look for stroke. Okay, you click stroke. We don't want to give it a stroke that is the same color with the text. So let's change the stroke and give it something that is okay. Let's give it a stroke of white. Yeah, white would be cool. Click OK. You can increase the size of your stroke here to make it look more beautiful. Yeah, that looks okay. So basically, this is how to create clipping mask. Okay, so I'm not going to delete this. I'm going to show you how to clip an image into a shape. Let's go here. Okay, I'm not going to use a rectangle or an ellipse this time. I'm going to choose a polygon. Okay, and how to create a polygon. Now that I've clicked the polygon tool, you come to these functions here. Now, if you want a pentagon, you know a pentagon is a five-sided polygon. So you give it five sides. You come to this place, you see sides, you change it to five. If you don't want to use five, you can use maybe let's say let's give it an octagon. So let's give it eight, and you strike enter. So now when you want to draw your shape, you just click and drag, and you have your octagon. Okay. So I'm going to put this here so I can see clearly. Now I'm going to bring another image onto this octagon. I'm going to clip it to it. So I'll do the same process. I'll look for another image this time, and I'll clip to it. Let's look for something nice. Okay, I have this beautiful image here of nurses. So I'm going to click the image, and I'm going to resize the image. I'm going to increase the image. I'll enlarge it to cover the shape. I'll Then I'll right click on the image layer and I'll click create clipping mask, and that's it. I've clipped this image onto the shape, and now it's taking the shape of the polygon we've created. Okay, you can also add border to the polygon by right clicking, go to blending options, then you click stroke. If you want to make it look more beautiful, if you don't want to give it just a particular color, you can change the fill type to either a pattern or a gradient. And you can see it's giving it a black gradient going upwards. But I don't want to give it a black gradient. I want it to be something mixed like this. Okay, so these are my presets, my gradient presets. So I just choose one out of it, and I think this looks beautiful. So basically, this is how to just clip an image onto a shape, and that is all we. That's all for the tutorial, and I hope you guys learned much. Thank you, and see you next time.